The Oregon Log Splitter is a powerhouse, boasting 28 tons of splitting force and a 9-horsepower motor that makes quick work of even the toughest logs. Its 24-inch hydraulic cylinder stroke, hardened steel wedge, and vertical operation mode are designed for heavy-duty tasks, effortlessly handling logs up to 24 inches in diameter. The wood is definitely cut safely, but for the worker himself, I would like to see more safety. I hope that he won't make such mistakes when cutting wood anymore. When a pile of logs challenges you, the gearbox splitter steps up with a powerful response. Feed in a log, and it's instantly transformed into neat firewood while you stay cool and relaxed. Don't forget to gather your freshly chopped warmth with a sense of accomplishment. The automated machine instantly transforms logs into planks using a powerful pendulum blade. Precise movements, smooth cutting, and the log is cut into straight blanks. A real combat sawmill. This gearbox splitter is like a personal trainer for your firewood. It handles all the heavy lifting while you enjoy the spectacle. It operates smoothly, reliably, and tirelessly, giving your back and hands a well-deserved break to focus on things you truly enjoy. When you're pressed for time and faced with a pile of logs, a DIY log cutting machine becomes your ultimate ally. Equipped with a powerful electric saw, it slices through logs in no time, producing perfectly uniform pieces, as though precision crafted. Meet the ultimate wood-splitting champion, armed with a 1-63 gearbox, a 6.5 horsepower motor, and a level of power that could make a tractor jealous. With this powerhouse, cutting firewood feels as easy as slicing fresh bread. Strong, quick, and deeply satisfying as you conquer nature with ease. Load the logs, and the powerful knives shriek to crush them into wood chips. Fast, productive, and straight to stock. Ideal for creating mulch or fuel, with every bit of wood going to work. This tool combines a saw and splitter into one powerful machine. With a hydraulic system exerting 35 tons of force and a precision remote-controlled system, it simplifies the entire process. One swift action, and your perfectly cut firewood is ready to use. A branch shredder works like a beast, turning twigs into chips so quickly the branches wouldn't even have time to protest. Reliable, powerful, and versatile, It cleans up your yard while leaving you with perfectly prepared material in no time. This cylinder milling machine transforms trunks into perfectly smooth blanks. The rotor mechanism efficiently removes the bark, making each pass quick and clean. The finished wood needs no further refinement, perfect for subsequent operations. The Hercules circular saw stands as a gladiator among tools, effortlessly tackling logs up to 12 inches in diameter. With a 4,500 RPM high-speed blade, it slices through wood like butter, while the reinforced steel frame absorbs vibrations for a seamless operation. Adjust the depth, set the angle, and enjoy perfectly cut pieces for your stove. This horizontal bandsaw is capable of processing massive trunks with exceptional precision. The wide blade neatly separates the wood into even boards, turning the workpiece into material ready for any project. The Cordo branch shredder is a premium garden tool that clears your yard and preps firewood for the fireplace in no time. Compact yet powerful, it handles branches of all sizes, transforming them into ideal fire-starting materials with ease. In the blink of an eye, a powerful tool cuts the wood, and seconds later, the majestic tree begins to fall. Just a loud crack, and the huge trunk lies on the ground as a symbol of the power of logging. The manual log splitter, crafted from steel scraps and a car spring, is a masterpiece of garage ingenuity. Its hardened steel blade and strong spring make wood splitting exciting. Just place the log, press the lever, and it's done. Say goodbye to tiresome axe work and hello to quick, clean cuts with minimal effort. A massive tree on a steep slope looks like a dangerous opponent. But with a saw, the task becomes a filigree skill. Every movement is like a musical score, and in the end, the tree falls into submission. An electric log splitter is where manual labor takes a back seat and innovation takes the lead. The electric motor powers a gearbox that effortlessly splits logs. Just place the wood in, and out comes ready-to-use firewood. The best part? It's dependable and requires zero effort from your muscles. This is a high-tech wood splitter that turns even large logs into logs in seconds. Mounted on a maneuverable loader, it works right on the spot. Splitting wood with high speed and minimal effort on the part of the operator, saving time. Powerful splitting blades literally tear massive trunks into even pieces. In 2 movements, these knives do what no axe can do, turning massive chunks of wood into neat logs in seconds. one precise cut at the base, and the fallen tree is easily split into pieces. The technique requires skill and calculation for the operator because cutting the trunk at the root ball is not an easy task. A DIY log splitter combines affordability with exceptional performance. Using a winch, bolts, a latch, and a bit of creativity, you can build a machine that efficiently handles firewood on your property. Compact, cost-effective, and easy to assemble, it demonstrates that budget-friendly solutions can be both robust and efficient. Equipped with a powerful motor and heavy-duty blade, this chipper instantly turns short logs and chunks of wood into fine chips. The automatic feed system ensures continuous operation, and the reinforced frame withstands the heaviest of loads. The Gorinich 9T log splitter is a powerhouse, delivering 9 tons of force to split logs faster than you can reload them. Powered by a 3-kilowatt electric motor and a reinforced screw mechanism, it transforms even the toughest wood into neatly split logs with ease and stability. A double saw with a conveyor is a smart way to work. Featuring 2 carbide-toothed saws, an automatic log rotating mechanism, and a conveyor belt, it creates a streamlined process where sawing, splitting, and sorting happen effortlessly. The finished firewood is neatly loaded and ready for transport. Building a log splitter at home is simpler than it seems. With an electric motor, a gearbox, and a few bolts, you can assemble a powerful machine ready for action. The secret lies in taking your time, setting the angles accurately, and keeping all moving parts well lubricated. The Taj Fun log splitter is the ultimate choice for automation enthusiasts. Logs are fed by a conveyor, sliced by a circular blade with carbide inserts, and transformed into perfect firewood by a hydraulic splitter. A control panel and mobile frame make wood splitting a seamless one-person operation. The roto chopper, with its powerful rotor and sharp tines, eats up railroad ties as if it were a light snack. The B66L, on the other hand, like a gastronomic critic, finishes everything to the perfect fine particle size. The semi-manual log splitter gives the axe a well-earned rest while crowning you the ruler of perfect firewood. With a 6.5 horsepower engine and a 50-pound flywheel powering the wedge, logs don't stand a chance. Need specific sizes? Set the stop and let the machine handle the hard work while you enjoy precision and efficiency. video-driven log splitter puts your tractor to work while you enjoy the results. The power takeoff shaft spins the flywheel at 540 RPM, effortlessly splitting even more stubborn logs into tiny firewood in seconds. With a detachable frame, adjustable splitting wedge, and a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters per hour, it's a game changer for large-scale firewood preparation. The standard lever log splitter by Kolondrov is a simple yet efficient tool designed for speed and ease of use. Its quick assembly, durable construction, and ability to handle logs up to 18 inches long make it a practical choice for hassle-free splitting. Milling maple with a chainsaw feels like artistry with gasoline and steel. A carbide-toothed blade glides through the wood effortlessly, delivering clean cuts with minimal waste. The combination of speed and precision makes the process both efficient and exhilarating. This hydraulic powerhouse, equipped with a high-speed conveyor belt, devours logs and produces tidy firewood in seconds. An automatic feeding system and precise splitting mechanism ensure consistent, high-performance results under any workload. The manual axe, with an 8-blade splitter, works like 8 synchronized guillotines, splitting logs into evenly cut pieces with a single strike. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly effective, it turns firewood splitting into an enjoyable activity, effortlessly creating perfect pieces with each swing. The Kolondrov manual log splitters deliver quiet and reliable operation. Featuring levers, wedges, and durable steel frames, these models operate with the precision of Swiss watches, requiring little effort while offering excellent control. Ideal for preparing firewood for fireplaces, stoves, or saunas, without noise, dust, or fuel emissions. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video. What's up, Smart Tech fans? In today's episode, we're diving into brilliant tools designed to make splitting firewood easier and faster. Let's check them out. The Igland log splitter conquers even the toughest logs with ease. Its robust construction and precise splitting action resemble a mechanical dance, where every movement is perfectly tuned for efficiency. The hydraulic log splitter Matvey is more than a homemade creation. It's a versatile powerhouse. Its cross-shaped blade slices through even massive logs with precision, leaving perfectly split firewood as if crafted to a template. This log splitter's standout feature is its built-in table, which not only supports the logs, but also transforms splitting into an organized and efficient process. The blade slices through wood with confidence, while the table secures the pieces, speeding up work without unnecessary mess. Picture a monster equipped with a circular saw, powered by a single-cylinder 70cc MIA engine from 1962. Like a vintage sports car for wood cutting, this machine confidently handles logs, proving that classic mechanisms still pack a punch. A chainsaw powered by a 4.1-liter V8 engine is more than just a tool. It's a force of nature. It cuts through a 550mm trunk in just 2.4 seconds, slicing with such ease that it feels like cutting cake instead of wood. This hydraulic log splitter with automatic feed operates like a conveyor belt in a firewood production line. It grabs, splits, and moves logs seamlessly, turning hard work into a smooth mechanical dance. This homemade gearbox log splitter is a true powerhouse. Equipped with a 3-kilowatt motor, 1500 RPM, a 1-32 gearbox, and 12.6-inch and 3.3-inch pulleys, it makes splitting logs feel effortless. Powered by a 220-volt network, it handles even the toughest firewood with unmatched precision and strength. The Split Force Log Splitter is a complete logging solution. Its lift handles heavy oak rounds, the blade splits them into uniform pieces, and the conveyor sends the logs directly into bags. A Chiati tractor then transports the bundles to the drying shed, where they'll become premium stove fuel. The Voden log splitter turns weekends into firewood marathons. Splitting 18 cubic meters in just a couple of days? No problem. The blade gets to work, the motor roars, and you stack the wood faster than it cools. The Hood Rapid Fire is a lightning-fast firewood splitter. With quick feeding, automatic cycles, and zero downtime, the process flows effortlessly. This powerhouse prepares firewood for winter, leaving you with the easy job of stacking it. The Raptor hydraulic log splitter is a formidable machine, splitting logs with precision and strength akin to a predator in the wild. Its hydraulic system operates smoothly, driving the blade with power to tackle any type of wood. With a sturdy frame and rapid cycle time, it's a top-tier splitter for serious jobs. The RM cross-conveyor log section is a true wood processing factory. The feeding table guides logs for cutting, and the conveyor gently transports the split firewood. Efficiency is maximized while your hands take a break. Perfect for large-scale tasks. An industrial log splitter is a true giant, designed to handle the biggest logs. Its powerful hydraulic system and durable steel frame make heavy-duty work quick and efficient. This powerhouse has no limits. This hydraulic motorized log splitter, boasting 7 tons of force and a weight of 320 kilograms, is a mechanical powerhouse driven by a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine. It doesn't chop. It methodically splits logs into flawless pieces with minimal exertion. When your garage holds more parts than a metal workshop, creations like this come to life. A homemade sawmill crafted with meticulous precision. The blade effortlessly slices through wood, producing perfect cuts, while the gasoline engine powers the discs at breathtaking speeds. This homemade log splitter is like a trusty tank, with every component standing the test of time. A flywheel-powered gearbox and a solid steel wedge crush through logs with a satisfying crunch, splitting them as effortlessly as cracking nuts. A vertical hydraulic log splitter is the elite athlete of tools, delivering precise cuts with surgical accuracy. Its hydraulic force slices through wood effortlessly, while its compact design ensures both speed and safety. Picture a beast shredding wood with the finesse of a watchmaker. A rack and pinion log splitter with a gearbox turns logs into tidy pieces in mere seconds. It's a marvel of the industrial age mechanics, where each gear tooth exerts maximum effort, delivering an unstoppable grip and a razor-sharp thrust. A gasoline miter saw is not just a tool, it's a woodworking maestro, delivering impeccable cuts and precise angles. Its angled blade glides through even the densest wood, while the robust engine keeps the speed steady under any load. An 8-horsepower mechanical gearbox splitter, a powerhouse of precision with every motion. A hand-start ignition, a secure log grip, and a durable steel wedge combine to automate the splitting process, transforming hard labor into seamless efficiency. This backyard sawmill is like a compact factory under the open skies. Handmade but designed with precision, it cuts wood with remarkable accuracy, turning your yard into a workshop for construction materials. This firewood splitting machine works like an untiring conveyor robot. Its operator can barely keep pace feeding logs, as the wedge, with unmatched precision, splits them efficiently, ensuring a plentiful winter supply of firewood in mere minutes. A homemade hydraulic log splitter feels like a backyard experiment turned into a professional-grade tool. Its sturdy frame, powerful motor, and precise blade strikes demonstrate that building one is simpler than it looks, and operating it is immensely satisfying. A compact branch shredder is a flexible tool that can be powered by either a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine or an electric motor. Lightweight yet powerful, it processes branches in seconds, turning them into chips. It's the ideal solution for cottages or small farms. A branch chipper for branches up to 4.7 inches in diameter transforms wood waste into excellent winter fuel. Its razor-sharp blades easily handle branches of varying density, leaving behind neat chips for stoves and bonfires. Minimal effort, maximum reward. This gearbox splitter makes preparing for winter both efficient and enjoyable. While it effortlessly crushes logs, you can relax with a cup of tea and think about how to spend your extra free time. Its speed and effectiveness will leave your neighbors quietly admiring. This is the ideal for those who know a lot about woodworking. This beast strips bark from logs in seconds, leaving a smooth, even surface. Powerful blades and an automatic feed system turn a labor-intensive process into a breeze, saving you tons of time. Featuring an 18-inch blade and a robust 7.5 horsepower motor, this circular sawmill processes logs up to 16 feet in length. Its reinforced steel frame, movable carriage, and precise linear guides turn cutting into a finely tuned craft, making you feel like a master woodworker. This is a powerful tandem for processing small logs into even, uniform boards. First, the SDH circular saw cuts the log into large pieces, after which the VC multi-blade saw processes each piece, producing several pieces of lumber at the same time. Picture a fortune wheel, but instead of rewards, it delivers perfectly chopped firewood. This homemade splitter, featuring a wooden flywheel and rail axles, easily tackles even the hardest logs. With the electric motor and flat belt doing all the work, your role is simply to feed the wood and reap the benefits. The Mini Loader Wood Splitter is a versatile firewood cutter that turns any log into neat logs in minutes. Its hydraulic splitting mechanism plunges into the wood under pressure, splitting the trunks into the right pieces, as if it were just a piece of wood. The rack and pinion log splitter, based on the kinetic energy accumulation principle, operates 3 times faster than its hydraulic counterparts while using minimal electricity. Its simple assembly, compact size, and ability to process up to 1 cubic meter per hour makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize time and efficiency. Thanks to the VarioPress system, the trunk is passed through rotating blades, which, like jewelers, carefully remove the bark, leaving a perfect wood surface. The process is fascinating because of the precise mechanics. Each log comes out ready for processing. A hydraulic log splitter transforms backbreaking labor into a breeze with just a pull of a lever. Minimal effort, maximum efficiency, and suddenly you're standing next to a perfectly stacked pile of firewood, feeling like a champion lumberjack. The log is carefully placed on the machine, and the tool literally grafts onto the wood. Powerful saws start cutting the massive. Each movement seems to be calculated to the millimeter, turning the forest giant into even, perfectly measured boards. In European firewood processing, machines handle the splitting while humans oversee the operation. A hydraulic press with 30 tons of force and an automatic feeding system transforms logs into perfectly stacked firewood without a single axe swing. All the operator needs to do is load the logs and admire the efficiency. The log, before it realizes what has happened, is in the iron embrace of the machine, and the bark literally falls off, leaving a perfectly smooth trunk. The tandem of the machines works synchronously, like clockwork, cleaning each log to a shine. The electro-hydraulic splitter does all the heavy lifting for you, leaving only the pleasure of perfectly split logs in its wake. Feed in the wood, push a button, and watch it work its magic effortlessly, turning hard labor into an effortless task.